Have you ever wondered how the color of a cat's eyes is determined? Well, you're not alone. The enchanting hues of a feline's gaze have long captivated and intrigued cat enthusiasts and owners around the world. From the mesmerizing emerald green to the lustrous gold, the icy blue to the intriguing instances of heterochromia, where each eye is a different color, the spectrum of feline eye colors is as diverse as it is fascinating. But what exactly dictates these captivating colors? The answer lies in a complex interplay of genetics and environment. Yes, the genes that your furry friend inherited from its parents and the environment it grows up in play a crucial role in determining the color of its eyes. So are you ready to dive in and unravel the mystery of your feline friend's captivating eyes? The color in a cat's eyes comes from melanin, the same pigment that determines the color of our skin, hair, and eyes. But how does this work exactly? Let's dive into the science. Melanin is produced by cells called melanocytes, which are found in various parts of the body, including the eyes. In the eyes, these cells are located in the iris, the colored part of the eye that surrounds the pupil. The iris is like a wheel with spokes, with the melanocytes scattered throughout. Now, the amount and type of melanin produced by these cells is what ultimately determines the color of a cat's eyes. Think of it as a painter mixing colors on a palette. The more melanin, the darker the color. So a high level of melanin in a cat's eyes often results in golden or copper eyes. It's like a sunset, rich and warm. On the other hand, a medium amount of melanin gives the eyes a green color. It's a softer hue, like the first leaves of spring, and if there's very little or no melanin, the eyes are blue clear as a summer sky, but that's not all. The exact shade of color can also vary based on the scattering of light. This is due to a phenomenon called the Tyndall effect, where light particles are scattered in a medium without being absorbed. In the case of cat eyes, the medium is the iris. Depending on how the light is scattered, the eyes can appear different shades, adding depth and variety to their color. So it's not just a simple case of this amount of melanin equals this color. It's a complex interplay of factors, a beautiful dance of science that gives each cat its unique eye color. And that's the magic behind those mesmerizing eyes that stare back at you from your feline friend. It's not just about the color you see, but the science that makes it possible. So the next time you gaze into your cat's eyes, you'll know that it's a beautiful interplay of genetics, melanin, and light. And so we've learned quite a bit about the science behind those fascinating feline eyes. Let's take a moment to recap. We discovered that the color of a cat's eyes is determined by melanin, a pigment that also influences our skin and hair color. The amount and type of melanin present in the iris of the cat's eyes can result in a spectrum of colors from golden yellow to deep green and even striking blue. But the story doesn't end there. We also learned that the scattering of light plays a role in defining the exact shade of color. Much like the sky at dusk, a cat's eyes can seem to shift color based on the angle of light hitting them. Remember, no matter what color your cat's eyes are, each one is unique and special in its own way. Thanks for joining us on this feline journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on the video. Until next time, stay curious.